In the swimming pool in the morning, filters, and just add in chlorine, then clean the toilets, the shower, just to make sure everything's all nice and clean. But today there's no sun, which is really nice. We're working on a boundary wall today, so I've got to go out and get sand and concrete chips and cement, put in the posts. But it's really weird. Swimming pools are not really that much used. I think my family, it's a novelty at the beginning. They use it now. They don't use it at all. The customers here, very, only one or two use it, but very seldom. Not like every day. And when it's cold or no sunny, then the people just stay in the rooms or go out. They didn't play in the pool. The barbecue area as well. I built this barbecue, and believe it or not, it's not been used. It's all set up like, but nobody's used it yet. I might do a barbecue on the weekend. Why they put that up here? It's too high, eh? Bit barbecue at the pool, eh? Oh, I'll move that down here. Too high, maybe falling someday. But you never stop. I've got this, we had the resort for 8 years, and we never stop working on it, adding and adding. So. It's so quiet, eh? That's the filter, that's chlorine here I put in today, so that'll keep the pool nice and clean. That's my pet hate though in Thailand, is motorbikes with the stupid exhausts. And today my dragon fruit's coming out. That's the first one for this year, the dragon fruit, which is really nice. Lea Resort, that's the resort we own. The family, we just use it. My brother-in-law and my family, we run the resort. There's no outside help, so it's really good. Go for a wee walk around the garden. But it's really a nice garden, eh? Stupid bikes coming. They're so noisy. But we've got 3 villas here and 10 apartments. So always some trade, and the people visiting, a lot of people come for a short time and stay for maybe, I don't know, 3, 4, 5 hours. A lot of people like just to relax, chill out, come out from the city and come here.